Account management is one of the most important aspects of your business. Having a system that is well organized and easy to access and control is paramount for a successful business. In today's video, you'll learn about the many tools we offer dealers to help them do just that. Hey, I'm Daniel Rubio, team member at Avant-Garde Monitoring. We provide professional monitoring solutions that save lives, protect property, and inspire peace of mind. If you're interested in how you can become a better dealer for your security, fire, IoT, or PERS business, then consider subscribing. Like I said, account management is crucial to running a successful business. According to Account Manager Tips, there are 9 major benefits to proper account management, including business growth, strategy, consistency, diplomacy, cost reduction, innovation, customer advocacy, credibility and trust, change agent. When it comes to account management, the numbers don't lie. According to a 2019 Gallup poll, when businesses implement sound account management practices, their levels of revenue and profits trend upwards, while customer churn decreases. In fact, they tend to see 50% higher revenue, 34% higher profitability, and 63% lower customer retention. Avant-Garde provides a number of account management tools through the MyAG portal for you to stay on top of your business. We highlight a few of the highly beneficial and unique tools you can take advantage of to help manage your accounts. Being able to generate reports to keep track of your business is key. The Avant-Garde monitoring platform gives you the ability to access all your account information from anywhere you have the internet. From here, you can add permissions to others in your company, generate reports, get call recordings, as well as manage your billing. The My.ag portal is a sort of one-stop shop for you when it comes to easy account management. There are many reasons why customers cancel their services. Chief among them is selling their homes and relocating. AG's MLS Tool helps you retain your customers who move and provides the potential to gain new customers who move in. With early notice about customers who are selling their homes, you have the opportunity to proactively contact them and retain their business. As an added benefit, it also provides a place for contact information on all your accounts. The best part, this tool is completely free for AG dealers. The icing on the account management cake is a dealer dashboard, found in the My.ag portal. Here, you can really dive deep into your accounts to maximize your RMR. The dealer dashboard is filled with widgets that help make your accounts more efficient and can help you identify and work with accounts that may be lowering your RMR. Utilizing these tools to help simplify the management of your accounts frees you up to focus more on other aspects of your business, while we focus on keeping your customers' lives and property safe and secure. That's all we have for you today, but we want to know what sort of tools you use to help manage your accounts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Until next time.